Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is meribahMUA. Today's makeup tutorial is this beautiful silver pink glittery look. I really love like a mauve pink that's kind of muted, and then I was inspired by this necklace to do kind of like a silver glittery look. So all the products are going to be listed in the description box below, and we're just focusing on the eye makeup today. So if you have questions about my foundation routine, leave a comment down below and I will create an updated foundation routine video. Or you can just go back to some of my other videos and check those out. But yeah, so I don't want to ramble too much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And please comment down below. Let me know what your favorite looks are that you love doing on a night out. I'm not going out, by the way. I just wanted to get super glam and film for you guys. I've got a lot of videos coming up that I'm excited, and soon we will have a vlog for my Asia trip. So I'm going to Asia this week and I'm really excited to vlog the trip. So let's go ahead and get started on this makeup tutorial. Alright, so starting out with this video, I already have my face and my eyebrows done, highlighter done. I think the only thing I'm missing is my eyes and my lips. I like just doing my lips last. I think that ties in and snatches the whole look. So I'm going to do that at the very end of this video. So we are just going to do a simple, glamorous, like smoky, shimmery look. And I am going to dip in the Soft Glam palette again. But the other day I was kind of just looking at some makeup that I haven't used in a while. And I found the Super Shock Shadows by Colourpop. This is in the shade So Quiche. I don't know if you guys remember these when they came out, but they were super popular. And this one, kind of on camera, it looks like it's just silver, but it's more like, maybe if I take it back here, it's more of like a light brown shade, and then it has this really beautiful like pink reflect. So I wanted to do just like a dramatic eye look with that, and then also using the Stila Magnificent Metal and Wanderlust, and then just pop on maybe a little bit of glitter. So starting out with this look, we're going to the Tempera shade all over the lid, and that is in the Soft Glam palette. You can see my cat in the background. He is going nuts. He decided he needed to be in here today to supervise me while I did my makeup. So now really quickly, I do want to put a shade in the crease per usual. So I'm going to use the shade Dusty Rose just because this has a really nice pink to it. And we're just going to blend this to fill. That's my cat. As you can see, he needs a bath today. Come on, bud, just sit right here. Alright, now I'm gonna zoom the camera in, and that way you can see a little up closer. So we're taking the Super Shock Shadow in So Quiche, and I'm actually just gonna apply this directly on my finger. And so you can see this is the shade. And I'm gonna go directly on the lid. If you have longer nails, it's kind of hard to get into the corner. But if you're popping like a light corner highlight, it don't really matter. I'm gonna go in with a little more of that shadow. You always want to make sure you wipe your finger off so you don't touch your clothes and get that eyeshadow everywhere. You could apply that shade with like a light brush, but I just feel like the finger is so easy. So I'm taking that brush again, and I'm going to wipe away any fallout that I had. I'm taking that shade Dusty Rose again, and I'm gonna blend this in the crease. With the flat brush here, I'm taking the shade Glistening, and I'm just gonna highlight underneath the brow bone. And then with that brush again, I'm just gonna blend this out. I'm taking the Super Shock shade again, and I'm taking this smaller brush here, and I'm applying it to the brush. And I'm gonna go underneath the eye to smoke out the bottom lash line. So when I'm dragging this all along the bottom lash line, into the corner and over, and we're gonna do the same on the other eye. I just feel like these give such a grungy look. I like love when makeup looks kind of like dirty and grungy, but at the same time like very glamorous. Almost like that rock and roll vibe. That's really what I like. Like when you have like the really dirty smoky eyes, it's so pretty. So in the Soft Glam palette, I am just gonna take a little bit of the black, and like very little, like I barely put any on my brush. And I am just gonna deepen up the corner here. And taking Dusty Rose again, I'm just gonna smoke this out and just buff, 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 buff. With that shade Tempera, I'm just gonna lighten up the edges here and just kind of buff out any fallout again. Now for some extra pop of glitter and glam, I'm taking the Magnificent Metals in Wanderlust, and this is by Stila, and I'm gonna put this in the corner of my eye here. And we're just using like a tapping motion. And then I'm gonna bring it just into the corner. And blend out. And then while it's still kind of wet in the corner, I'm taking a little bit of this like pink glitter. And I'm just gonna pop that right in the corner. Now you can see I have like a lot of glitter like all over my nose. So I'm just gonna brush that away. Alright, so I am gonna put on my eyelashes and my eyeliner, and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, that completes the final look on this easy, smoky, I don't know, I'm just like so obsessed with doing like really glammy, like, I don't know what it is that I'm just like, I just like love like glam looks, like going out looks. I love daytime looks with like orange and browns, but then I really like over the top like glittery shimmery eye looks like this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget, everything will be listed in the description box down below. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I see my channel growing a little bit every week, and I am just so grateful and thankful for my subscribers and everybody out there that's supporting me. Like, it just means so much. Like, I am still shocked that people like to watch my videos because I just think I'm such a nerd. But yeah, I don't know, it just blows my mind. Every view that I get, every new subscriber I get, I just really appreciate the support. So yeah, you can also follow me on social media at meribahMUA on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. As you guys are aware, Snapchat sucks now, so I am like not on there at all. So basically Instagram and Twitter. But yeah, so anyways, I'm rambling, I can't talk. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.